In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove payment method on Meta Business Suite. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to business.facebook.com. From in there, proceed to log in into your Facebook or log in with your Instagram. You can also log in using your Meta account right there. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to access it. However, if you don't have any of those, you can proceed to create a new account that you wish to use. Since I already have one, let me head over and then just log in into my actual Meta Business. Now here is my Meta Business Suite dashboard. In order to remove a payment method, you need to head over right here into your left sidebar, scroll down, click on All Tools, and then after that, just click on this search bar and search in here for billing and payments. Typically, billing and payments is already added right here, so just proceed to click on this. Now from in there, you should be able to load in here the billing and payments, wherein you can see your ad accounts, and you can see payment methods and payment activity from there. So on your ad account, you should be able to see already the payment methods available and how you'll pay, as well as the current balance. So for this case, let's just input the payment methods, choose in here the ad account, and then wait for this to load up again. Once it's done loading, it should be able to show up right here. So if you wish to remove a payment method, just simply click on the three dots right here under that payment method as well. Click on remove, and it will ask if you're sure to remove this. So make sure to click on this remove button. Just wait for this to load, and then this payment method shall be removed right here. So click on done. As you can see, it's now removed. If you wish, you can also remove this other one if you would want. Just click onto the three dots, click on remove, click on remove in here again, and once it's been removed, you won't be able to use that payment method in order to actually add to your account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.